So welcome to another thrifting video. I was away on holidays last month and I picked up some really nice pieces and I said I'd make a video going through everything that I thrifted. So I'm going to do that. If this is your first time on one of my videos, thanks for watching. I make content all about kind of slow, sustainable fashion. It would be great if you could give me a like or subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of summer, so any help is much appreciated. I also have an Instagram for the thrifting and styling, which I will leave the name on screen here, and you can follow me there for kind of like everyday outfits, little mini thrift hauls and that kind of thing. Also, before we begin, sometimes people like to know what I'm wearing, so I'm wearing this thrifted blouse with all this amazing ruffle detail, just some chain necklaces, and then my Free People dungarees. I can't really show you properly, but I've actually, in one of my outfit of the week videos, you'll kind of see these styled up as well. Yeah, so last month I was away visiting family, so I picked up some pieces and I will show you what I got. So yeah, I think I'm just going to jump into showing you and then we'll do our cutaway over here. Yeah, so let's go. So we'll start with this blouse. It's this kind of brown floral blouse and it's got all this ruffle detail at the front, and it's got these two, I can't find the other one, but like tie closures as well that you can wear kind of cinched to the front. And then it's also got shoulder pads, which is one of my favorite things. Yeah, I really like this for the summer, and I think probably styled with like denim shorts, kind of casually open, would be really nice. I might show you how that would look, but yeah, I love the print detail on it. I think this is a really pretty piece. I think I've been going through quite a phase of like polka dot stuff, so I thrifted this really long dress. It's got this lovely kind of cinching detail at the front, and it's kind of like the sheer fabric. It's got a lining on it too, and it's quite long, and I think in summer that would be really nice with sandals, or easy like style for evening wear. So that was a lovely find too. And same shop, I found, can never really resist like old vintage jewellery. So this beautiful beaded necklace, I gave it a bit of a wash, so the kind of crystally bits look really nice now. I might re-string it because the string is a little bit loose, but I really like this, and I love just collecting lots of necklaces to layer with and style with. I find that with styling, if you add belts or add jewellery, scarves, earrings, you can really just like transform a look. So whenever I find something kind of nice and unusual, I always pick it up. Okay, then I have this beautiful Devore blue floral print skirt. It's got this beautiful velvet Devore design on it. It's kind of like a brown and a blue, and then it's got a lining fabric in it too. Really lovely piece, kind of timeless, and I just really love how the kind of the velvet catches the light. Again, I think casual for summer with sandals and stuff would look really cute. And then I've been on the lookout for kind of like long cargo shorts. I want to thrift them rather than buy them new. I did find these when I was away, and I actually got them in two colours. So this is like the kind of the green, like army green colour, and they're super basic, but I think I'd styled them with like a black sequin top. I'll put the looks up here. Yeah, I really liked how that looked. I also need to find like a good just like brown belt to wear with all of these looks. Yeah, but that is that colour. And then I also got them in a kind of a beige colour too. I don't think they're even branded, but I just like the idea of them for summer, kind of styled in different ways. I think Pinterest is a great one for seeing how people have been styling these kind of long shorts, so I'm looking forward to giving that a shot over the summer. Okay, and then I have a few more pieces to show you. These ones are super special because they were given to me from my family, and I kind of have a story about two of them, so I'll show you and then we'll have a chat about them. So first off, I have these like really aqua blue cropped flare trousers. They're in this kind of cotton fabric, and they've got this amazing sequin detail down the end. These are by their French Connection. I just love the detail down the end of these. They're so much fun. So I really like these. Okay, then we have two more pieces left, and both of these are so special. Yeah, so both of these pieces were made by my nana for my aunt, I think, a good few decades ago, I would say, at this stage. And I think like it's really special that I am now sewing now, and she can kind of see that's carrying on. But I've never, like, she's always talking about stuff that she's made, and I've never before seen anything she's made, and my aunt gave me these two pieces that she made, so it's just like, it's super special to have these. I'll treasure them forever. So this is a beautiful pleated skirt that she made, and it's got like a button detail, and even like that is hand sewn there. So beautiful. So I think that is so nice. And again, like just like a little hand stitch to hold up the hem there. And I think that's also something that I love about shopping secondhand or working with secondhand fabrics in my business, is that like everything has a story. And like I know the story about this piece and this piece, but there's so many pieces that you find that are handmade that probably have the same story. So I just think it's really beautiful, really. So yeah, I love this piece. I'm gonna treasure it forever. And then this other piece, this I think was when there was like a fashion trend of petticoats starting to be worn just as skirts, and this is one that my nana made, and it's just this nice kind of cream fabric, and she's added on all this like lace detail and this beautiful kind of ruching here. This is so cute on, it's beautiful on. I think I just want to be careful about not wearing them too much because they are so precious to me. I suppose clothes are made to be worn as well, aren't they? So yeah, those two pieces are just like the best thing that I've come home with because they are really sentimental. Okay, so that is everything that I thrifted while I was away. I think I got some really nice pieces, and it's always just so fun to thrift like in a different country. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a like, and it would be great if you could subscribe. Yeah, I'm hoping to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the summer. It's a lot of work making all these videos, and hopefully you guys are enjoying them too. Yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye.